crypto fans! Today's video is going to be part of a mini-series called Familiarize with MetaMask. And as you probably guessed it, it's going to be all about MetaMask. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import your MetaMask wallet from your smartphone app to your Chrome Metamask extension. Now, this is a completely different process than what I've shown you in a different video on how to import your Trust wallet to your MetaMask. In our next video, I'll show you how to customize your account, because if you're following along at this point, you'll have a few accounts and you're going to want to be able to easily differentiate between them. Next, I will show you how to configure your wallet to interact with the GoChain network, as well as the BSC network, that is the Binance Smart Chain. In our fourth video, I will show you how to change your transaction pre-settings, and we'll discuss and dive deeper into what is gas and GWEI. For our last video, I'll show you how to add new tokens and collectibles such as NFTs to your wallet, because as they come out with newer tokens and collectibles, they're not going to automatically populate in your wallet, and we're going to have to add them manually. Alright, so let's get started here. You should already have your MetaMask Chrome extension installed, and we're just going to click the icon. And from there, to make a full web view, we're just going to click the three dots on the top right and expand view. Once we're here, we'll click the account icon, which we can configure to identify between our different accounts. And we want to click import account. Once we're here, it's asking us for a private key. There's another option for a JSON file. We're not going to pay attention to that for now. We're going to stick with the private key. Now, your private key string is different than your 12-word private phrase that you received when you opened your MetaMask wallet, or account rather, on your smartphone app. So just so you know, there's two different things there, and it can be easy and frustrating to get confused. I've heard people think that they've lost their account forever because they get denied, but they're actually entering the wrong key phrase. So now let's go to our cell phone so that we can get our phrase, and I'm just going, our key string, and we'll expand that view. Now we're going to click the three lines, I call those hamburger, and we'll go to settings. Once we're there, we're going to look for security and privacy, and over here is our seed phrase, and that's the 12-word phrase, and we do not want that. What we're looking for is over here, our show private key. So we're going to click on that, and I'm just going to take a second here to enter my password, and I'm going to pause the video so we don't see my password. Alright, and we're back. So I just entered my password. I'm going to expand that, and I'm going to click enter. And as I do that, you can see it comes up with our private key. And I'll click copy to clipboard. And now, as you know, I like to send my private information using Telegram, which is end-to-end encrypted, and they claim once you delete your message from the chat, it is deleted from their server entirely. So we're going to click paste, and there is our private key. Now I'm going to go to my computer, and we're going to go to the Telegram chat. And here's the private key that we sent ourselves, and we're just going to click copy text. And we're going to paste it and import. And as you can see, when we started the video, we had 3 accounts, and now we just added our 4th one. Stick around for our next video, and I'm going to show you how to customize your wallets and their icons. I hope you found this video informative, And please subscribe and stick around.